In a beautiful forest, animals lived happily and played together every day.
In the middle of the forest stood a very old tree that had protected the animals for many years. But the young animals never cared about the old tree.
One day, a powerful storm suddenly arrived.
The animals ran everywhere searching for a safe place.
The old tree spread its strong branches and protected everyone.
After the storm ended, the animals realized something important. They understood that the old tree had always protected them. From that day on, they promised to care for the tree.
Never forget the elders. They are the roots that hold our world strong.